Welcome back for another GRT price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, GRT continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at the $0.1505 mark, and as long as this continues to hold, continue expecting higher prices here on the GRT chart in a move that should now give us a break above resistance at the $0.165 mark, and a break above that in the next coming hours with a successful retest. Then I will be watching for GRT to give us a break above these significant highs above the $0.178 mark, and a break above that we can easily see GRT get above the $0.2 mark in the next coming hours. And all that is based on the Elliot structures. And zooming out on the charts to now give you my Elliot analysis, you can see that GRT gave us a low on the 19th of October at around the $0.0761 mark before we saw this breakout to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $0.16 mark, completing the formation of this Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we expected a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into our minimum target area for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we fully maximized. And we saw a reaction to this area in what I'm now terming as the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and we can also use the fib ratios 1:1 to also get a target area. So we can have our first target at the fib ratios 1:1, and that is at the $0.2045 mark. Then the next target area now lies above the fib level 1.618, and that is at the $0.2588 mark. Those are the target areas that I have in the formation of that wave 3. And if by any chance GRT is able to break above areas of resistances and fully maximize these target areas, continue showing that impulsive move to the upside, then we can extend our target area at the fib level 2.618, and that is above the $0.3467 mark. So those are the target areas that I have here on the GRT chart for the next coming hours in case we manage to break above areas of resistances. We also need to have in mind that there are also chances that we can get rejected at resistance, and in case such a movement plays out, then watch out for a pullback to support at the $0.1505 mark. And as long as this continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back. But if by any chance we see a pullback losing the $0.15 mark, that will be suggesting lower prices, which can easily give us a retest of the lows that we made at the $0.13 mark. That is the alternative scenarios that we need to have in mind in case we don't see a break above resistances. And that is the price action that I'm watching out for on the GRT chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.